myself, Toastmaster Amjad, and I'm pleased to share with you my little experience of pathways and Toastmasters. Toastmasters is a magical journey for me because I started believing in magic after becoming a Toastmaster. Yes, indeed, I invested so much time in it. I used to spend more than 8 to 10 hours every single day reading, writing my projects. Yes, I mean it. If you are able to invest that much time, then you will see a magic in your life as well. How I was able to finish all 11 parts? Is it possible? Is it impossible? If it was impossible, I wouldn't have done it. Yes, it is possible. Everyone can do it. What I did, I invested time, I invested my passion and perspiration and believing in myself. I did not listen external voices. I just listened my internal voices because I know myself better than anybody around. I know what I want to achieve. No one else does. So I would request you all, if you want to achieve something similar, you have to start listening your internal voices. Ask the same question to yourself when you join Toastmasters. Why did you join Toastmasters? And who is stopping you now to achieve what you wanted to achieve? Trust me, I'm kind of adamant person. I don't listen to external voices. And I would encourage you to do that. Please, if you want to see a different version of yourself, a magic, start speaking. Stop expecting perfection. Perfection does not exist. That's what I believe. If I had believed perfection, I wouldn't have achieved what I have achieved so far in my life. I improved every single day. If I have waited for the perfect speech, I would have still waited for that speech because I'm not perfect yet. But I'm inspiring thousands of people because of my passion, because of my commitment. Can't we do that? Yes. We don't have to be best in language, but we can be best in something special we own. Our own uniqueness. I'm believing in my own uniqueness. So I will continue to do that. I don't try to be someone. I always try to be myself. This is my request to all of you. Start believing yourself. If you are able to give some time, you will see a transformed version of yourself just with the help of Toastmasters International. How I was able to finish all parts? Because I was working on more than 10 projects at the same time. I observed a lot in my life. When I'm driving, I'm observing. When I'm eating, I'm observing. When I'm traveling, I'm observing. So I was able to pick so many points and topics and write down my speeches. So I was able to deliver different speeches wherever I spoke. Now I'm able to deliver impromptu speeches even after practicing so much. You can do that. So I urge you all, start believing yourself. Stop listening external voices. Start listening your internal voices, and you are there what you wanted to achieve.